Hi, this is Melanie from the IDS 2019 in Cologne. Next to me, our KOL from Germany, Überlingen, at the beautiful Lake of Constance, Joachim Maier. And we interview him to some very interesting topics. So, Joachim, dental technicians are confronted with very struggling hurdles every day, like discolored stumps, bruxism, or a lack of space. How do you handle these hurdles or these problems?
Thanks. Once in a while, everything comes together in one case, actually. And if we have to deal with discolored stumps, we try to hide that with an opaque framework material, especially, for example, with a white ZI, the classic old ZI, as the much really opaque material. In combination with bruxism, it's a little bit more difficult because we try to avoid lamination in the posterior areas, especially in the functional areas. That forces me to use a more translucent material, which ZI is not a really good partner. So we go into the HT plus area, or in the future with your new material, with a new translucent material. And we try to handle it with the HT plus actually then. Try to go into maximum thickness. We try to keep the space we have actually for covering the stump. We try to keep it in zirconia and try to reduce the lamination. That means with a thickness of 0.7 of HT plus, for example, I can cover a pretty dark stump already pretty successful. Not a brown one, not a black one, but yeah.
Slightly discolored stumps.
Yeah, right. Exactly.
So Joachim, you do beautiful teeth or restorations, and what's the secret behind these natural aesthetics?
The secret actually is the ability of the tooth to appear vital looking. And a vital effect you can imitate while putting a light reflection deep inside of the crown. That means we need to have a kind of sort of mirror deep inside, which could be a reflecting liner on top of zircon oxide. It can also be the choice of a brighter color of the subframe. For example, your target color is A2. You can use the A1 color as a framework. And this already this little fact gives you so much light reflection from deep inside. And the other thing is, we get a lot of vitality while bringing contrasts in our teeth. Contrasts in the shape, contrasts but also in the lamination. For example, when I see these bluish halo effects, for example, I work with contrast. Without contrast, I wouldn't see anything. That means I use at the line angles a very grayish, bluish translucency material. And to make it visible, I need just the opposite of it, very opaque dentine, as the frame, as the last frame around of the tooth. And this little effect gives me already a lot of opacity and natural appearance.
Okay, cool. That was super interesting. Thank you so much for your time. Enjoy the time of the IDS.
Thank you.
See you.